Hello guys, this is Nawaz and welcome back to my channel. As you see the thumbnail, yes, I have blown my account. But before that, let's see what happened in the today's market. Okay, again a quick disclaimer that this video is only for the education purposes. I am not intended to give any stock market tips. I am just sharing my trading journey and my thought process and my trades, how I took the trades and what are the results of my trades. Okay, so first, if you see the today's trade, the market opened gap up and then there is a big red candle, and today's whole market was inside this first 15-minute candle only. If you narrow it down, the market moved under this level actually, which is 24,220, 24,260. So overall market moved around 24,050 level actually in the 40 points. So there are no much opportunities today. Even though market opened gap up, there is a profit booking happened and market completely went into the sideways zone. So as I said, there are no trading opportunities. I tried one trade here in this position, but obviously if see, market didn't cross this level. So whatever the price I have here was became same here itself, and I booked a small loss actually in that trade. Okay, this is what my today's trade journey. But if you saw my last video, I have carry forwarded one trade I think from day before yesterday, and yesterday I made an average actually. So the total quantity went till 260, and in the yesterday's video I mentioned that I have 3 more days till the expiry, and in those 3 days I'll try to recover. That's what I mentioned in the yesterday's video. But today I didn't hold it and I booked the loss. Let me show you how much loss I've booked. If you see, 16,695. For some people this may not be a big amount, but for the beginners this is a big amount, right? I'm not saying that I'm a beginner. I've been trading since 2021 and I have seen losses bigger than this. But the situation which I'm in right now, for me right now, this is a very big amount. I was trading with this amount and I've blown my whole account actually. Now what are the reasons which made me blow this account? I made 3 mistakes in the last week and this is the result. I am sharing these mistakes with you so that you will learn from my mistakes and you will get better in your trading. Mistake number 1, position size. Initially I used to trade with 1 lot. Now I have increased it to 2. Initially I got success with the 2 lots as well, but in the last week I went overboard. You may have seen a video where I mentioned that I did over trading, but I wasn't profit. Honestly, I am not proud of it because I went into profit when I doubled down the lots actually. Initially I used to trade with 130 points, then I made 260 or I think 5 lots I took, and then I went into profit in that day, which I'm not proud of at all. My target points in Nifty is 30 points. My risk reward is 1:1 most of the time, but as per my trading strategy, I less likely hit stop loss. So I usually put 1:1 only, but most of my trades are go into positive only. So in the last week, I traded with 2 lots, which means 130 into 30 points is roughly around 4,000 rupees would be my target and stop loss as well, which is actually big. For 1 lot it is 2,000, which seems little okayish, but when it's 2 lots it's 4,000, which is actually big. Now what I'm going to do, again I'm going to trade with 1 lot for certain time, and then when I see that yeah, this threshold is crossed, then I will increase 1 more lot in my trading. If I see some positive or some trend, I may add 1 lot, but most of my trading is going to be with single lot. So this is the mistake number 1. Mistake number 2 is not following analysis and rules. Yes, I do have a proper analysis, but I myself was not following that analysis and I'm not following my own rules. If you see the today's market has created a big red candle and the whole market was oscillating between that red candle. There are no breakouts in either of the directions. So which is basically which means this is a non-trading zone, especially for me, because according to my rules I'll take my first trade only when market breaks out in either of the directions. Okay, this is the first rule I have, but unfortunately I didn't follow that rule here. Today also I made some loss. I took a trade inside here itself. Day before yesterday also market was almost, the whole market was inside the first 15-minute candle only. Here also I took a trade, and here as well after the first trade I took a trade inside this range as well. So if the market oscillates between the first 15-minute candle, I should never take trade, but I took trade and book losses because those trades were not successful throughout the whole week actually. Okay, so this was my second mistake. I should stick to the rules which I made for myself. Now the third mistake is greed. As I told you earlier in this video that this 16,000 is not a big loss for me if I am working. If I have a salary, then it's not that a big loss for me, because as I told you previously, I have seen big losses. But at this moment I don't have a job, I am burning my savings, and this is a big amount for me to lose. I won't exactly say it's a greed, but actually I need money. So that's why I thought, okay, I have the proper analysis with me, so I'll increase the position sizing so that I'll get more profit. Then I'll book that profit and run my life cycle. This is what the thought process. When I used to take trade with one lot, even if I see 2,000 loss, I didn't cut. Why? Because it's okay for me. I used to hold the trade. Eventually those trades went into profit. But now as I have increased the number of lots, if even though there are 10 points less, I'm seeing a big loss, I used to cut that loss, and again I used to take entry, then again book loss, again entry. So that made me do over trading. So it's not like greed, but the situation which I am right now, I wanted to earn more money to survive. So that is the case here. So now what I've understood is basically it doesn't matter whatever the position you are in. If it's gonna take time, it will take time, and I have to hold till then. So I can't do anything about it. So these are the 3 mistakes I made in this week. From the next week onwards, I am going to restart my trading with one lot. Now, why I booked the loss today? Because I want to sleep peacefully in the weekend. I don't want to have that stress in my mind that yeah, I need to recover it and all, because the market is not going in our favorable condition. I see in the last 2 days there are gap ups in the Indian market, and the crypto market went too high actually. In the last 2 days it was almost 10,000 points jump in the crypto, in the BTC. So honestly I can't predict. That's why I wanted to cut this loss, and from Monday onwards I wanted to restart my trading again with one lot. One more fix I'm going to do is basically I am not gonna carry forward any trade from now onwards. I want to do intraday options only. By the end of the day, which is almost around 3 or something, I will cut my trade, whether it's in profit or loss, at any cost. Because you just saw it, day before yesterday the loss was 1200, the night passed, now the loss was 13,000, which is 10x times. So I'm not going to carry forward any trades from Monday onwards. I want to cut on that day itself, even though it is in loss, and I am going to restart my trading again with one lot. If I see any favorable condition, or if I see any trend market, I may add one more lot, but that's it. Other than that, I'm not gonna increase my lot sizes. And from Monday onwards, I'll try to stick to my trading rules as much as possible. So this is the goal for the next week. In the future on this channel, I am going to bring courses as well. I have learned those courses way long ago. So if I make a course, then it would be like a revision for me, so that I can learn the subject very clearly, and which would help me in my future trades as well. So that's it for this video, guys. This week was not fruitful for me, and I hope next week I'll make it one. So see you in the next video. Until then, peace.